Hello, my name is Sanne, and welcome to a new update of the work in the kitchen. Yeah, so the phone block finally we removed it, and I thought, oh yeah, let's get into the rust business. But I forgot you always have to remove like all the other parts that are there. So there's some wooden thingies over there, and there's like wood all around every rib in the on the bottom. So I had to remove that too. And that actually took the whole morning. I think we took a break here. That's really good because it's still very hot. Even today, it's crazy. And today it's really hot because there's a tropical storm in the Caribbean Atlantic somewhere there. So there's no wind, no wind, and that's I have no clue how hot it is. But here you see, just removing things. Yeah, there was Peter. He was working on the batteries. I have no clue what he did installing. Oh yeah, and I was sweating here already. It was just a picture to show that. Yeah, that was the 28th, so that was Thursday, and this is Friday. And I thought it's nice to show you, to let you see the route we take to live. And driving on Bonaire, it's great as long as you don't have crazy people around you. It's like there are no traffic lights, and everybody's really like easy on the road. Just little bit with blinking lights. Who wants to go first? Because right doesn't the person who's coming from the right doesn't really have like uh voorrang. How do you say that? I don't know. They cannot go first, so it's always a little bit like, okay, who wants to go first? Really funny. Oh yeah. Um. Now, so this was the next day. So before I removed the parts, and this is the sound I was hearing all day long because, okay, with I got this amazing headphones, and they block out like most of the sound, but it's still like crazy. Hopefully, this is the last time I have to do it. Yeah, so I worked on that part that Peter also has to weld again. Um, yeah, and I mean, now it's going great. I don't have any heat stroke anymore. I take breaks, drink enough, and we don't work like full days now on live. It's like more, yeah, half days. So because it's just, yeah, when the sun comes from the top, yeah, it's like an oven. And yeah, a lot of hammering. But as you can see, I think that part I can already start uh, with sanding. Oh yeah, and then I visited Octo. I have a nice movie from that. And I also wanted to show you that I saw, that place, Salt Pier, is so amazing because you see always turtles there. And I think turtles next to octopus and all the other fish that I really love to see. It's just so calming to look at it. It's amazing. And then I went to my favorite spot on the beach. I really love to sit there. And there was just like a nice bird chasing fishes. And it looked really, really nice. Like a happy bird running around. Like, I don't know how long he was doing that. Maybe he was very hungry. But he was just running around the whole time, catching fish. And then wait, look around, and then he would continue to. You see here, he stands still. Oh yeah, and here I sped it up because he was there for a long time. Yeah, and this is really my favorite spot because it's not a dive spot, so there are not many people who come there. And yeah, or maybe you see also some hermit crabs walking around. There's one. Yeah, and it's just it's a quiet place, and it's just great to meditate and to see the sunset, which is always great over there. So yeah, that was a great day that Friday. It was really very productive. like working on live. And there it goes again, running around. Yeah, so today's Sunday. We went to live. Did we also went there yesterday? Yes. And I have also a video from that. I will make that separately. But I don't think, it's like hammering a lot and working in that terrible hot corner. But I did do a lot. But I will show you next time. This is just a lovely view of the bird. And I think it will end very quickly. So I already say like and subscribe. That would help us enormously. Visit our blog www.live. Yes, now it's finished. Uh, www. Oh, you don't even need to type that. It's just live1968.com. And we have a blog there. It's just a fun little thing we do. And if you like it, like it. And otherwise, not. I mean, no problem. Yeah, see you in the next update. Bye.